Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Seiko Quartz watch that does not have a date complication. So this is a time only model. On these watches, all you need to do is to pull the crown to the last position, and here we are going to rotate the watch hands in a clockwise direction, and we are going to set the time. So let's say that I want to make it 6:45. Going to go past 6, and now I'm going to leave it just like this at 6:45. In order to end the process, we are going to push the crown all the way back in. There are going to be some models that have the date complication. Here on the right side we have the date complication, meaning we only have the day of the month, and here on the left we have the date complication, meaning we can set both the day of the week and the day of the month. In case you have any of these two models or variants to your quartz movement, make sure to check the links in the description box below, because these tutorials are going to be a little bit different and you have to follow some different principles when you want to set the date so that we protect the movement and not damage it. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one.